Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to show desktop icon in Windows 11. Let's get started. First, go to your desktop. And after that, right click on the empty area and hover over view, then click show desktop icon. If it's unchecked, click it to enable, then your desktop icon should now appear instantly. Next is add system icons. Right click on the desktop again and click personalize. Go to themes and click desktop icon settings. Then check the boxes for icons you want like this PC, recycle beam, control panel, or network. Click apply then OK. If icons are still missing, try restarting Windows Explorer. Then, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape, find Windows Explorer, and click Restart. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.